Hi there, here's Canadani. Today I've got a pouring rain in my area, so I'm just sitting in the Canadani studio doing some episodes. This one is the overview of all the options on Mio Cyclo 200 bicycle navigation. And I'm happy to tell you it's very easy to use and very intuitive. Now the first option pops up just while starting up, this one, change profile. If you have saved different riders on this device or different types of bicycles, you have the option of choosing the right profile just during the startup of this system. And now, as you can see, 6 huge, very easy to find and very intuitive buttons here: dashboard, navigate, history, surprise me, tracks and settings. Let's start with the settings then. And as you will see, it's really easy to use. Now we are unable to scroll through the screen with your finger, but if the navigation is in the map mode or navi mode, then you will be able to actually scroll through the map, like searching different places, which is really cool. Here we are using those little buttons for scrolling. So make sure that you see everything. You've just gone through all the options. If you see this button is active, it means you've got some more buttons here. All right, so the profiles. Let's start with the profiles. We can create new one, we can go for default or some that we already saved on this device. I can also edit this one just to show you. Name of the profile, birth of date, weight, bicycle weight, because this device will also estimate the amount of calories we are using during workouts or just during a ride, male, female, so the gender, and then the type of the bike, which is so cool because the navigation will find the right type of the road for the city bike, racing bike or a mountain bike, which is really cool. I'm going to show you that also in a second. So profiles, easy. Where am I? If you have the GPS signal, I don't have it right now, just inside the studio, you simply tap it here and you will see where you exactly are on the map. So nothing difficult here. Routing, some informations here for different types of the bikes, like city bike, race bike and a mountain bike. You can choose what types of the road you prefer, and on each of those you have 3 options: try to avoid, allow, prefer. Cool stuff. This navigation will really change the routes according to the type of the bike you are sitting on. Cool stuff. I like it so much. Alright, then the maps, auto zoom, show cities, north up, and here I think this is just different looks of the map. So that's right here. Then we have dashboard, and I'm gonna do the tutorial on how to personalize your dashboard, because this one is just a bit tricky. You might think that this is the look of your screen while you're riding, which is not. These are different screens actually and different options. So I'm going to do another episode not to take too much time on this one. And then manage, super easy. History, tracks, so any tracks you went through are here, and the addresses you put on this device are here. And then points of interest, there are none I've saved on this device, but I will show you also what kind of points of interest these are. So we've got those covered, and here product info. Here you will see, of course, the version of the software, and we can go back to factory settings and restore default. So if you want to go back to factory settings, you do it under the product info button. And then the system, super easy. You can just set the brightness of the screen, which is really bright. You can see it under different angles, and you will see it when the weather is really sunny, which is really cool. I'm just kind of in the middle. It's difficult to be shooting this video with my GoPro camera, but I hope you can see it. And then backlight timer, screen lock timer, auto power off timer, super easy. So that's under the screen button. Alerts, if you want to hear the sounds when you are tapping, that's it. Date and time, that's only the format of date and time. Then units, I'm using the metric. You can use standards. Keyboard, that's for different languages, different types of letters. And language, easy. You are just choosing the language you want to have on your device. Super easy. So that's the settings covered. Then the rest is even easier. Tracks. If you have, yes, I'm gonna stop the navigation. If you had different tracks on this device, it will show you here. So tracks. Then history, easy. All the trainings or touring you've made will be here, if not deleted by you. And then let's just see surprise mode. It's really cool. You've got two different options here. You can set the goal of the distance for you, like 50 kilometers, that's here. You can set also the time you'd like to be cycling and the average speed, your estimate average speed you're gonna just write in, and then if you choose it, you just tap go, and this device will calculate for you 3 different routes in your area. So you never go the same path. As you can see, 3 different colors, 3 different routes. It shows me like 52 kilometers, a bit hilly, 64 and 42 here. You can also take a look at those routes here and see the profile of the route. That's the one color, that's the other one. Let's just scroll it. Yeah, the red one and the blue one. This one is the violet, I think. I'm not the best with the colors, but anyway, you see the distance, you see the profile of the track, and then you simply tap go, and this device will start navigating you through this track. Really cool stuff. It's never boring because you never ride the same track. So surprise me, it's really nice option. Then navigate, that's super easy. You simply put your, like, you want to go home. If you've saved your home address, it will lead you to your home. You want to go any address, you just put the address. I have been Navi going on right now. Let's just stop it. You can choose the address you've already saved or just create new one. It's really easy. Tracks, any tracks you have on your device, you can go through. And points of interest, different points of interest, just search by category. As you can see, bike store, cafe, bar, cash dispenser, doctor, gas station, hospital, and so on. It will just find you those in your area or on your track, on your way. So that's really easy. You don't have to be navigating with this device. You simply tap dashboard and start riding. You will also see yourself on the map, but without any directions. And here you can scroll three different screens with different informations. Really easy thing to use. And what I like the most is that you can really choose different 3 types of the bikes, and the navigation will choose the best suiting track for your bicycle. I like it so much, guys. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this device, and also if you are Cyclo 200 users, let us know about it. You already asked me about Cyclo 205. We don't have it in Poland. I don't know this device, but at least you have all the options. You can see all the options of 200, so that you'll be able to compare it to the one that is maybe being sold or available in your country. So check out the features and compare to this one. Thanks for watching and your thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.